Stay, Django, stay. No, come on, Django. Come on, Django. Come on, Django. Come on, come here. Come here, Django. Come on, Django. This way, Django, come on. Down. Good job, good boy. So, this is Luna. This is Django. No, Luna, no. Be good. Luna have been learning for a long time and she knows very different things. Maybe next I'll show you with the toys. Luna, you good? Lay down. No. Luna, down, lay down. Luna, lay down. Good boy, good girl. Django, lay down. Django, no. Focus, lay down. Django, good guy. Come on. No climbing. Sit. Stay. Lay down. Stay. Wait. Stay. No, stay. Urabona ko zino stay ziyumva neza. So I'm teaching them this one. I've learned how to stay until I tell them to come to anywhere. So until I go to the car. No, go back. Come on, come here. Sit, Luna, sit, stay. Django, focus, stay, focus. I want you to focus. Stay. Good boys. Stay. Go back. Come on. Go back. Sit. Down. So you can see Luna, she understands everything. So he's just trying to figure out, since I've been not with them. This is like the 3rd month without training them. Stay Luna. Focus, good girl. Stay. Django, stay. Sit. Django, I want you to focus. Lie down. Django, lie down. Django, come on. Good boy. So, sit. Stay. Come on. Stay. So, hey Luna, I want you to stay. No. Sit. Stay. Wait for that. Stay. I want you to focus. Luna, sit. Lie down. No. Good boy. Good girl. High five. No. Sit. High five. No. Come on. Up. Come on. Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Come on. Come here. Sit. Stay. Wait. Stay. Come on. Sit. Stay, Luna. No. Down. I want you to sit. Good girl. Stay. Wait. No, I'm going to use signs without talking. Sit. Sit. So when I put up my hand, means that the dog have to wait and sit until he gets. I command them to get up, or I command her to do whatever I want her to do. Stay. Stay. So I'll go towards the car. Talking, stay, wait. No. Come back. Come here. Sit. Lie down. Stay. Wait. No. What did I do? What did I say? Lie down. Stay. Wait. The commands. No. Lie down. So these are the commands. Remember, stay. This is stay. No. This is no. You have to point your arm like this. No. And then this is come. Remember, this is come. Your dog needs to know the signs and body languages. Then the next thing, maybe it's rolling over. He understands. Up. Come on. Stay close. Come on. Quickly. Sit. This is good. So I want, for example, I'm in the street and my dog, we like want to pass the zebra crossing. So I will have to stay with my dog in case I don't have a leash. Like right now I don't have a leash and I have to walk with my dog anyway. So Luna, come on. We are moving. Come on. So my dog won't go in front of me because he learned how to stay right by my foot. Come on. Remember the snap? Down. The snap is to make sure he pays attention. This is a girl, sorry. Is to make sure she pays attention. Without talking. Luna. The snap. Luna. Down. Lay down. Without talking. The snap. Sit. Good. So this is Luna. She can now do every basic need of commands with signs and body languages. So you still remember you need to have the eye contact with your dog. So your dog have to have an eye contact while training your dog. So in order to make your dog pay more attention at you, you have to use facial expressions and everything so that your dog can pay attention at you. Remember, snapping, or you use anything you want to make sure your dog is paying attention. So I'm going to bring another one so that I show you if you can also do the same thing with the basic commands or basic anything, like trying to make sure my dog is behaving well. So when I have a dog that has his or her behaviors, my dog cannot be disobedient or cannot climb at any people. So I trained my dogs not to climb at people. Remember, it's been like 3 months without training them, but you can see they can still understand what I've trained them before. All right, come on, come here.
I'll write a second, third verse. About the lies you go disperse. You never do shit, I know it hurts.
Django, come on. Django, come on. Come on. No, 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 no. Come on, Django, come on. Pay attention. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So. Good boy. Good. Come on. Stay close. Stay close. Sit. Stay. No. Come on. Come here. So he's excited. He wants to have some play. Up. Good. Come on. Come on. Good job. Goodbye. Up. Come on. Okay. Stay. No. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. So when my dog doesn't want to understand what I'm trying to say, I will simply hold this without paining my dog. So I won't pain my dog. When you close his mouth for like 5 seconds, he knows that he's in a punishment. So he disobeyed. So I will hold my arm like this. So I want to hold him strongly. Stay. Behave. Stay. No. Stay. Behave. Stay. Focus. Stay. No. Remember, you need to show that your dog this finger. So this finger means no. Remember the finger. Stay. Focus. I want you to stay. So right now, because I've punished my dog with holding the mouth, so my dog will now understand everything I'm trying to say to him. Alright, he's now paying attention because I've finished holding his mouth, but I don't need to make it strong, so I won't pain my dog. Stay. So you can see now he can understand, because I've like punished him with holding his mouth. Come on, let's go. So right now I can do whatever I want with my dog. Sit. Come on. Sit. Lie down. Remember the snap. So you cannot, this is wrong. You cannot hold the dog and start telling your dog to sit. So you need to remember the eye contact. You need to have an eye contact with your dog. So I'll come. Lie down. Focus. Lie down. Django. Lie down. No. Lie down. Good. Stay. Wait. Stay. No. Come on. Come here. Remember the snap? Come here. Stay. I want you to stay. Up. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, I destroyed.